Today in this video, I will show you how to get unlimited soul shards in Swordigo. Before getting unlimited soul shards, you need to know what you can do with them. So as you can see here, there's a shop here. If you go inside the shop, you can buy an iron sword for 80 soul shards, a healing potion for 50 soul shards. Now let's get into method 1 of getting unlimited soul shards. So method 1 is boxes. If you break a box, it has a chance to drop soul shards, health or energy. And you can find boxes almost anywhere. Breaking boxes are a great way to get unlimited soul shards. To break a box, you need to hit it with your sword or use magic. See, it dropped a soul shard. If you keep breaking boxes, you can get unlimited soul shards. On to method 2 of getting unlimited soul shards. So method 2 is killing enemies. If you kill enemies, they have a chance to drop soul shards, health or energy. Enemies are super common, so that's why they are also a great way to get unlimited soul shards. On to the next method. Method 3 is killing grass. Method 4 is breaking pots. I don't even have to explain this one. It's similar to the box one. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and smash that subscribe button. Bye!